we are in Agde. I did check and I believe that's how you pronounce it, in the south of France. We made it. So we've chased the sunshine, hopefully at the last bit of summer. It should be 22 degrees and sunny this afternoon, so that'll be nice. But we're going to head down to the beach, which is just right opposite this complex. It's a really nice complex. We had a little walk around when we arrived, but it was quite dark, so we're going to have another wander. And Chase is obsessed with his terrace here. So I think he's going to spend most of the time out here just relaxing. It is so lovely to be in some self-catering accommodation. I had my first home-cooked meal last night, which was delicious. Managed to get some vegetables. So yeah, all good. We're off to explore the beach. So this is the gate that gives us direct access to the beach, which is just over there. Chase is very excited to get there this morning. So it is quite a shingly beach, but it's lovely and quiet, and the perks are coming in October is the dogs are allowed on the beach, because they're typically not allowed on most beaches in peak season. So yeah, we are gonna go explore. Chase is gonna have hopefully his first swim. I'm not sure how cold the water is. I'm definitely not going in just yet. Chase, wanna go swim? Go swim! Good boy!